how to change Animator Duration Scale on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus to the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Developer Options. After that, scroll down. And in here, tap on Animator Duration Scale. And from the pop-up, you can turn it off, or you can select animation scale at 0.5x, 1x, 1.5, 2x, 5x, or 10x. Select one of the available options. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.